Good morning, Duck. Ready for a fun day?
Always. Let's explore the farm together. Let's check the vegetable garden. Look at all these vegetables.
They look delicious, but we shouldn't eat them without asking.
Did you hear that sound? Yes. Let's go check.
Ow! This chick is lost. Don't worry, little one. We'll help you.
Do you know where the mother hen is?
She must be somewhere on the farm. Let's look.
Mama hen, where are you?
We'll find her, don't worry.
We found your little one.
He was scared but safe with us.
Look how happy they are now.
Helping others always feels good.
Another adventure completed.
And many more to come, my friend.